Good morning, everyone. I just want to show you how I grow celery from this. So let me show you. I will say when I have too many of these and I don't want to bury them or grow them again, I just put them in the freezer and I use it to make broth. And I'll do sometimes a simple broth of these celery ends and onion and garlic, a little bit of salt, and that's all she wrote. And it is absolutely amazing when you don't feel well or when you want to give your body a little something good. Sometimes I have that instead of coffee in the morning or instead of tea. Just thought I'd share a little tip. So from this to this monster, look at her. Now this one I let go to seed because I want to get the seeds. But honestly, all I do is just throw these in the ground and they just pop up everywhere. Let me show you another one I have around here so that you can see what I'm talking about. It's pretty wet because it's rained a lot here, but this one is in a container, but you see it's already coming up. The good thing is you can get either seeds or you can just use it. And it's so potent, way more potent than what you get at the store. Just make sure that you buy organic if you're gonna be probably, growing them. Thank you so much for watching.